Hello guys, this is me Isaac, and it's all how to make electronic sounds. For that, when we start for the audio, you need to download this electronic sound for video. I'll put that in the script. We want it for the audio. For that, for the center 100. Center is 100. We'll put too long for that. So for this, and then the muted. Then you need to render it. For that. For that. Okay, let's do for that. For that, you need to go for that. The electronic sounds. You need to render. Now render. Go to open ocean. For that. For that. For that. For that. We can set for that. Silver track. Now make a silver track. Go to the vocoder. Wait, I cannot have it for that. Go to the vocoder. Press OK. And for that. And now listen. Okay. You need to export. You need to browser it. You need to save it. Now export. You need to delete it. For that. Now this one. Select the way for that. Go to FX video. We're gonna choose Vegas Grady map. And now for the choose electronic sounds. And now that you're done, let's watch it. You're finished. Thanks for watching.